Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a lightning rod in Icarus. Now over on your tech tree, try to find the lightning rod over here on almost at the far right side of the tech tree. You can see it right here. Now for the requirements to make this are 10 pieces of copper ingots, so you're gonna have to make the furnace first before you can make the lightning rod. Now to make this, go over to your crafting bench right about here, and then make sure you have at least 10 copper ingots on hand, and then you can make it right here. Now I've already made some right now, and I'm going to place them right around my base. Now it has been said to place this at the peak of your house, but I'm quite skeptical of that, and I really want my house to be a little bit more safe. I'm going to place it somewhere close by, but not too far away from the house, right around here. Here as well, and as you can see, those trees also got struck by lightning. So I'm going to place it right around here. And there you go. And that's pretty much it about how to set up lightning rods in Icarus.